In this video, we will show you how to edit navigation menu on Squarespace website. First, you need to log in into your Squarespace website. And in here, you need to choose three dot icon here and select settings. After that, the pop-up will appear. You can just close the pop-up. Okay, we will wait. Okay, this is Simon. You can just close this pop-up and select pages. Okay, after you select pages in here, you will see there is navigation menu in here. To edit the navigation menu, like reordering the menu like this, you can just also drag and drop. Okay, you can see this is the first. And to create another page, for example, you need to add the home page in here. You can just add this or just drag this home page into the schedule like this. Okay, it's also will edit about the link on the navigation. And you can also edit manually. Okay, that's all how to do that. Just click edit. Okay, after you click edit, you can just click edit site header like this. Okay, you can edit the design. Okay, this is for the navigation. And you can also edit the content like this with drag and drop like we just show you. Okay, and that's all tutorial how you can edit navigation menu in Squarespace website. Hope this video helpful for you.